Here's a final version of the Bangor train station lift tour, and we do tour of the stairs as well. Here is a rough map of the train station when Bangor used to be here, but the train station is in North Wales. Red are lifts, blue is a lift on the tour, and black is stairs. First we do the lift. First lifts they used to go from this one, but this lift goes to platform 2, which is an old stanner. Yeah, press the button. Look at the window. Okay. It is. Bing bong. Down you go. Down, down. The slow door again. Look at that. Stanner, lift 2. That one, that platform. Oh, watch yourself. And watch this.
Level 2 on platform level.
That button. And ooh. Yeah, and the motor room again. Wow. Yeah, you can press the button. It's sunny out there today.
Do not use the lift. In the event of a fire, do not use lift.
Alright, don't mess around with the door. They will come down, but it's a stand lift.
That is my head.
Oh, CCTV camera.
In operation.
Right here.
Just where are they? Here we are. Can I go in first and press the
Okay.
button?
I hear the slam of the door. Alright, press up. Oh, by yourself. Look. If I go down, I see the stanner
And the buttons glow.
Don't. Oh, here we are.
Level of bridge level.
Bridge. See what's out the window.
Lift commenced allowed. Lift going down.
Watch this. See? Huh. Next lift, it used to be extraordinarily a nice stanner lift. But this lift goes to platform 1, and it's another old stanner lift. Okay.
I had to run.
Good. Oh, there's lift coming down. Oops, here, rising. Go down.
Doors closing.
Stanner, lift 1.
Level 2 on platform level.
Platform. And there's that wet thingy out the window.
Lift confused.
Oh, and let's go back up. No, we're going back up. Going back up.
Doors closing.
Going back up now.
You can see the outside and the blue like a motor.
level on breach level.
Down.
Lift and link allowed. Lift going down.
Now we do the stairs. Now we go along to the first stairs. We're going up. Back. We're going to the next stairs now. Come on. Up. I know. Hang on. Wait a minute. Now to the next stairs, because we look at the outer of all the stairs. Whoa. Now we go to the next stairs. When it goes... Okay. Now we go to the next stairs. So flat 1, 2. That's it. Right there. Look at that. Car. I can see the police officer. Let's go up. Look at this. Just a here. Oh, it wasn't doing it. Tricky. Let's go. Back down to another lift. Come on, let's go back down to the other one. Let's go down. Let's go. Wow. Nice. Just nice. There's the outer of all the stairs. Hear the voice of the train. There's a taxi. Let's go. We go back to another, this one. We go back to another out of all the stairs. Stairs. Whoa. You can in their tickets. See. Yeah, there. Tickets. And you need tickets. Right. There's the bus. Look at the button. Traffic lights. Hear the voice. Hey, look! I can see a dog. Let's go. Another one. They're so gorgeous. Look at these houses and cars. Ooh, this one's to let. Sign to let. Ooh, here comes a bus. There's a bus coming along. There's the Bangor University Tower. Great, look at Chris. Oop, hang on. Right there. It's going to make a building. This building's not quite done yet. Wow, look at that house. It says signs say to let. To let and to let. There's the Bangor University Chemistry building. I'm out of battery in a moment. Traffic light. Come on, let's go. Ah, nice. Frost. The sign, Carnarvon, and train station. The traffic light, the green arrow this way. Wow! If you look up there, it's a rocket, maybe a plane or something. This annoying car. I mean, look at that. Rubbish bin. I'll stop right there. I'll switch the film off before we stop at the Bangor University Tower. Oh my bloody god! Look at this. It's so grotty. There's a police car. Okay. Wow. That's the building up the tower up there. Entire shop and shopping centre. And that's the chemistry building, and that's it.